Hey there. In this video, we're going to show you how to edit and manage your tags for Shopify listings, both in bulk and individually. You'll find the option to edit and manage tags under Listings in your leftmost menu in the bulk editor. In the view, we'll see all of the listings we've selected displayed with their current tags information. You'll also see next to each listing a count that represents the 250 tag limit within Shopify. We'll also see that each individual listing has options to make individual edits, which we'll cover in this video. Up top, you'll note there's an option to choose profile, which is for tags profiles, a feature we'll cover in more detail in a later video. Get started. In the bulk editor, we'll see our familiar options to add tags, delete tags, or change or replace those tags. To get started, we'll work by adding tags, where we'll see that by entering in our text field separated by commas, that we can add tags to all of our selected listings. You'll also note that as we add them, that the tag's remaining count will update accordingly. Before we apply these changes, if we want to exclude a listing, we simply need to deselect it, and we'll see that these new tags won't be applied. So let's apply these changes and continue forwards. To delete tags in bulk, we'll go through a similar workflow. In this case, we've identified that there's a misspelled tag on all these listings. We simply need to type it in exactly as it's written, and we'll see that Vela highlights it in red on all of the listings where it's present. And then once we're ready, we'll click apply, and we'll see we've removed that tag from those listings. Next is the Change To feature, which allows us to replace all of our existing tags and start with a blank canvas. As a friendly reminder, we always need to separate our tags using commas. In this case, we won't apply these changes because we're happy with many of our existing tags. So we'll undo this change. On the far right, you'll see a green magic wand icon, which allows us to leverage artificial intelligence to generate new tags. We can either replace our existing tags or add to them by clicking Add Maximum. In this case, if we click Replace All, we'll see that it generates a list where we have three options to either discard and stick with what we started with, to try again, or to keep and apply these. If we click Try Again, we'll see we get a new set of options. Let's apply these to this listing. We'll also see that by doing so, the Vela automatically deselects this listing to exclude it from further bulk edits. On another listing, if instead we choose Add Maximum, we'll see that the AI gives us a new set of tags, where if we apply them, we'll retain our existing tags and simply add these new ones. Making individual changes is easy. We simply need to click the X to remove individual tags, or we can add individual tags, once again separating them by commas. Whereas we make these changes, Vela will automatically deselect this listing to once again ensure that any further bulk edits won't override those changes. We'll see with the green dot in our menu that we've made these changes and saved them in Vela, and they'll be ready for syncing. So that's how you add, delete, and replace your existing tags, as well as use the AI feature to generate new ones automatically. Once we're happy with our changes, all that remains is for us to sync these changes to our shop. By clicking Sync, in just a matter of moments, all of these updates will be pushed to my shop and live for my customers. Of course, with more listings, this can take more time, but in our case, it takes just a few seconds with only 25 listings updated. So that's all you have to do.